Hello again, in that lecture we're going to talk about Surface High Speed Toolpath. I'm going to double click on it. It is created by using the Surface High Speed Toolpath. This is parallel cuts and linear. Okay, this is my coordinate system. This is my geometry. I can select that surface. After that, I can create my 2D boundary. This is my 2D boundary. Okay, this boundary is projected according to Z-axis. This is my definition. So it means that I am selecting my surface and I am selecting my 2D and boundary. In that boundary and in that surface, I can select by and machinable surface by using to that parameters. Okay, this is my tool, 10 millimeters with 1 millimeter radius. And this is my also level. This is clearance area used as a plane and Z-axis. This is my toolpath parameters and we can see our step over here. This is 3 millimeter. This is my shorting process. I'm using the zigzag properties here. This is my tool control. I can organize it to keep and my tool down. And this is my linking process. This is approach and retract point. We can also see our links process here. This is my check surface. I can also select my check surface. So it means that I'm not going to touch that surface. So this is clearance data here. Okay, this is my roughing process. I can use the multi-passes, depth cut, rotate, translate, stock definition, and mirror options. Okay, after that, I just need to push save and calculate button. After that, we're going to see our toolpath here. I can turn to and toolpath parameters. I can write my step over here. It can be 5 millimeter. It's calculated like this. So that's fine. I can create my G code by pushing that button here. And we can easily see our toolpath. Okay. Thank you very much for listening to me. This is Surface High Speed Toolpath, parallel cuts and linear options.